Yes. A very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the grammar topic conjunctions. Okay. So in everyday life we use conjunctions, but we do not know them. Knowingly or unknowingly we use them, but still we don't recognize yes, it is a conjunction. Clear? So conjunctions are the words which are used to join verses, phrases, and as a whole
Sentences.
all sentences. Clear? This is the main function of a conjunction. Remember all of you? Yes, Ritika, are you following? Sanjana? Yes. So conjunctions are the words which are used for joining words, okay, phrases, clauses. Remember, clauses means sentences. I suppose all of you understood what is the meaning of conjunctions. So, children, I will write some examples on the board. Okay. So, what do you do when I'm explaining? You need to write for yourself the notes, like running notes. Clear?
Yes, sir. Just a
Again,
second.
yes, I will not give a time for you to write the notes again. Yes.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
Yeah. Conjunctions. Okay. Conjunctions are the words. Conjunctions are words which are used for joining which are used for joining words, phrases, and clauses means sentences. Sentences. Remember? Okay. So conjunctions are the words which are used for joining words, phrases, and sentences. It is the meaning of conjunction. Clear? So now let's find out some examples. How you need to identify conjunctions in the sentence. Understood all of you? Yes. For example, Trisha likes to read. Trisha Trisha likes to read. Trisha likes to read. Trisha likes to swim.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma. Trisha likes to swim. See, these are the two sentences. Trisha likes to swim. Trisha likes to, Trisha likes to read. Trisha likes to swim.
Sir, should I write this in
Yes, write
notebook?
down these examples, all of you. Yeah, all of you write.
And
Write in the classwork, you write. Okay, Trisha likes to read. Trisha likes to swim. So we need to join with and. Use,
Yes, sir. Trisha likes to read and
use,
sing.
and.
likes
Trisha likes to read and sing.
Yes, that's it. Trisha likes to read and swim. Write down all of you. Trisha likes to read and swim. So is that clear all of you? Yes? This is the use of and. Okay? One more example you do by yourself. I will say. Okay? I got a plate. Write down all of you. I got a plate I got a plate. I got late to school. I got late to school. Write down all of you. Shall I repeat? I got up late. Full stop. I got late to school. Yes. Now, any one of you say the answer.
I got a plate, so I got late to school.
Repeat.
I got a plate, so I got late to school.
Okay, good. So either way, yes. Tell me, ma.
Sir, could this also be I got a school?
Hmm.
Sarre.
I didn't get you. Can you speak a bit louder?
Sir, could the sentence also be I got a plate and was late to school?
Yes. See here once, all of you. Okay. I got late to school. I got late to school.
Because
Next, what happened? Because
I got a plate.
I got a plate. Because I got a plate. That's it. I got up late. Clear, all of you? Shreya. Yes, we have used here because. Because is a conjunction. Every day, knowingly or unknowingly, we use them, all conjunctions. Understood, all of you? See the sentence. I got late to school because I got up late. You have used here because. Because is a conjunction. And is a conjunction. Clear? So, somebody has used it. So is a conjunction. But is a conjunction. So like that, there are many conjunctions. Let's find out. Okay. So now,
Sir, because is a subordinating conjunction, sir.
yes. I will be explaining to you different types of conjunctions. Okay. Have you written so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
So next. Types of conjunction. Keep the heading. Types of conjunctions. Types of conjunctions. Okay. Okay. Types of conjunctions. There are 3 types of conjunctions, right? What is the first one, children? Yes.
Coordinating conjunctions.
Yes. First one, coordinating. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, right? So what is the second one?
Subordinating conjunction.
Correlative conjunction.
Correlative. You have to say correlative, not
Correlative.
correlating. Okay. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. Right on. Next, third one.
Subordinating.
Conjunction.
Subordinating conjunction. What is the meaning of subordinate?
So means it forms with dependent clause.
No, I'm asking you what is the meaning of subordinate. You are subordinate to me. So what does it mean? It means you are depending on somebody else. Or you will be like an assistant for the other person. Clear, you are my subordinate. So let's see here. coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. First one, coordinating conjunctions we'll discuss. Is that fine, children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Snitika, are you following? Do you see what I mean? All of you. Yes. Now, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, they join, right on. They join, very important. They join, they means coordinating conjunctions. They join,
Two independent sentences.
they join equals. They join equals to one another. Equals to one another. Okay, you may not be understanding this, right? Or, now you'll understand. Or, another. Okay. Or, they join together sentences. They join together sentences or clauses. Sentences or clauses. Do you know what you mean the clause?
Yes,
Sentence
sir.
or clauses that are equally important. That are equally important. That are equally important. Okay. So all of you listen, children, here. Okay. Coordinating conjunctions are those which are used for joining equals to one another. Equals means equal sentences, equal clauses are two main sentences. Clear? So they join together sentences or clauses that are equally important. Okay, which are equally related sentences, which are what we can say subject, verb, object. Like that, there should be two sentences. For joining those two sentences, we use coordinating conjunction. Clear? Let's see now. I'll give an example for you. Did you write, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ridved, did you write?
Yes,
No?
sir.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
Yes, good. Now we are learning about, so what are the conjunctions which are in coordinating conjunctions? Clear?
Sir, it's fanboys.
Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
So
Fanboys.
can anybody say what do you mean with the fanboys?
Per and
Per means per
and not
and not
so
Hmm. Very good
yet
response.
so yet so.
yet
Yes.
so. Yes.
Yes. So, and also today some students have joined. Clear? They have actually they have not been they didn't join before. So I would like to appreciate all of you taking part in today's class. I want the same attendance every day, more than 15 or more than 16, 7. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Arjun Mane,
Yes, sir.
understood? Nimra,
Yes,
did you
sir.
understand?
Sir, in middle your voice is stuffing, sir, little bit.
Kirtana? Yes. Can you hear me, Kirtana, now? Yes, all of you listen here, fan boys. Yes. So F
It's
stands for,
disturbance, sir.
So
come
It's too
on, for.
disturbance, sir.
A stands for,
For
and. N stands for,
nor
nor. B stands for,
but
but. O stands for,
or
or. Y stands for,
yet
yet.
yet
S stands for,
So.
So,
So,
all of you write down.
Yeah.
If they're fanboys, and write F stands for fur, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, S stands for so. You need to pronounce it as a so. We say but so. Clear? Hereafter we need to change ourselves. So today, like that, you need to start whenever you say something. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. So next time in the assembly, okay, when you are saying some conjunctions, no, fanboys you say, any one of you fanboys you say, coordinating conjunctions fanboys, you have to say fast, for and not, but, or, yet, so. Without giving any gap, you have to say very faster. And from back also you can say so, yet, or, but, nor, and for, like that. Some subordinating conjunctions, some coordinating conjunctions, or maybe some verbs. No need to say v1, v1, v2, v3, v4 when you are saying verbs. Clear? You have to say, okay, come, came, come. Okay, understood all of you? Or if not, play, played, played. Think, thought, thought. Jump, jump, jumped. Like that you have to say. But not V1 come, V2 came, V3 came. It's not like that, children. Please do understand. Clear? Okay. Have you written, children, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir, done.
yes, sir.
So how was GAT paper?
Very easy, sir.
Right, sir.
Yeah, good, sir.
Easy, sir.
Yes. How many of you have scored good marks? Rishita?
Sir, I got 9.
Sir, I got
Rishita, look here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, have you done well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Nivira?
Yes, sir. 9 marks I got.
Okay, Nehita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rudved? Dhruvan?
present, sir.
Okay, have you done well? Do you have any okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then I will tell you what is the answer, or maybe what it may be. Or maybe on the in the afternoon time also you can.
Which page number will this?
Yes, in call you can call me. You can call me after 1:30. I can explain to you if you have any doubt in the paper. Clear? Or if you want, you can ask me now also. Okay, next. I will give some examples. See, children, in coordinating conjunctions, already have given you example fanboys, and usage of one or two okay coordinating conjunctions. I will help you.
Sir, I want to ask something. Is novel available in school, sir? Because you are giving all our homeworks as question and answers. But I
Yes,
don't have
sir.
novel. How can I do, sir?
Yes, sir, I
Chapter to
went
question.
school yesterday, but they didn't give me novel.
Okay. So,
Actually,
Yes,
the
sir.
novel is
Even
not
I
available there.
got this
Sir,
yes,
novel.
actually, the novel is not available.
yes, raise this topic in PTM. Clear? Yes.
Sir, in which page number we are, sir, in the journey of the center of the earth?
Okay, we have completed two or three chapters.
2 or 3?
Sir,
Yeah.
but now you gave some question and answers as homework, but I didn't write them, sir. I don't have novel.
Okay, okay.
When I
Yes, sir,
searched in
the
Google that
same problem
novel,
for
some
me.
Yes, yes.
cartoon
If
novel
we
is
have
coming,
yes,
sir.
yes. If we have any queries, no, you ask me around 1:30 because this is a morning time, very precious time. No, I would like to teach, concentrating on teach. Depends on this. You can ask me some doubts regarding queries, regarding doubts regarding subject.
Yes.
Okay, those you can ask me around 1:30. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So all of you understood fanboys, children? Yes. Now I'll give an example for you.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Example. You can go there. Write on. You can go there. You can go there by bus. By bus.
अब मम्मी
By
फोन
bus.
करवावाली.
Or take the flight. Or take the flight. Or take the flight. Okay. See the statement. You can go there by bus or take the flight. Where is the coordinating conjunction?
Or.
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 Yes.
Or.
So in the examination, we will twisting you like this. A or B, but C, so. Clear? A or but B, C, so D, none. What is the right answer?
So.
Or.
Yes, which is the right
Or.
answer? Or
Or.
is the right answer. So it is very easy for you to recognize. See, children,
Using
how,
can voice,
yes,
sir.
for term 1 exam, you have to read from the beginning. From the beginning, you have to read. It's not that of unit 2. You have to read from beginning. Don't
Unit
forget.
1.
Yes.
Sir.
1 minute now.
Yes.
Who is the teacher for you in 7th period, ma? Sorry, 4th period.
Fourth period, social, Madhulata ma'am. But the link is not coming, sir. From past to
Yes,
some
sir. The
1
link is
week
not
onwards.
Madhavi ma'am is social teacher for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 4th period, no? Yes, children. Okay. Or, but, so. Clear? So, which is the right answer?
Or.
Yes, which is the right answer?
Or.
Or. Very good. Now, I'll give one more example. Are you writing or not?
Sir, should we, in the notebook, should we write the options also? Just an
Yes,
example.
you can write. That will be a reference for you how the question will be asked in the exam. Rishita, are you writing? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
And I want other participants. Makula, are you writing?
Yes, sir. I'm
Good.
writing, sir.
And who are those? Kundana writing. And who else? Dhruvan.
Writing, sir.
Okay, very good. So if you have any queries, you can ask me, ma. Understood? Dheeraj.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Dheeraj, are you following Dheeraj?
Sir, actually, can I ask, sir?
Yes, ma.
Sir, actually, you said to send homeworks, right, sir? From past 2 days, you just gave us question and answers from novel.
Yeah.
But I couldn't have a novel, so I didn't got that much reference to write a question and answer, so I didn't write.
Okay, fine.
I did not read it.
Because
Even
there is,
I too, sir.
yes, it is genuine reason. But at least if you could have tried roughly, that would be fine, no?
Because means I could try roughly, sir, but some words might be wrong, sir. Then the whole answer will be wrong.
Oh, okay, fine. But you try to buy them, okay?
Yes, sir.
Or if
I
not,
tried
yes.
all
Or if
libraries,
not,
but
Sir,
the
okay.
other
but
series are there.
Yes. In chapter wise, what I do,
yes,
I
sir.
will take,
Other
yes.
series are there, sir.
In
Reasoning
chapter
and
wise,
some
I will
other
take a
series
snap
are
and send you. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Children, for all
Yes,
of you,
sir.
those who
Yeah,
do
sir,
not
it's
have a
better.
those who do not have a novel, what I do, I will take a snap and I will send it to you in
It's
WhatsApp.
MCB, sir, or a WhatsApp.
Yeah, in WhatsApp or in MCB.
I've
Clear?
Okay,
tried
sir.
online and offline, sir, but the other series of that book only is there. But that book is not there.
Oh, okay.
Sir,
Fine.
sir,
Yes, ma.
sir,
Mega,
when you send the question answer, sir,
Mega is not. Do you have novel? Is not available. Meha is not available on Friday. Mega is not available on Friday. Nor, nor, nor will she be in town. Nor will she be in town. Nor will she be in town on during the weekend. During the
In
weekend.
Saturday also she won't be.
Yes. Okay. During the weekend. See,
Nor.
children. Okay, Megha is not available on Friday. Nor will she be in town during the weekend. What does it mean? She will stay at the weekend?
Means
No.
she
No.
won't
No,
be
sir.
Yes.
again she won't be on Sunday also.
She don't
Yes,
be
Yes,
remember.
neither
sir.
Friday or other weeks of the day.
Or
Yes, sir.
nor.
Won't be neither on
Okay.
Friday or even on
See,
Saturday.
or used for positive, nor used for negative.
Negative.
Remember, either or, neither nor we use no. But we
Yes,
don't.
sir.
But we don't keep
Yes,
those words
sir.
here. Either we don't keep, or neither we don't keep. Only we use or, and next we use nor. Okay, these two are used for not to. Or is used for positive sentences, nor used for negative
Negative
sentences. See
sentences.
here, Megha is not available on Friday. She is not available on Friday. Nor will she be in town during
In
the
town during
weekend.
the weekend.
So,
Or is like
which
either,
means,
nor is like neither.
yes, which means on Friday and Saturday and Sunday she will not
Same
be
like this,
available.
either and neither will also be used. Either is for
Yes, but
positive
those
and
conjunctions are different. When I explain those conjunctions,
Correlative.
you try to understand them. Clear? Now, keep the heading correlative conjunctions, all of you. Correlative conjunctions. Okay. So, what are the correlative conjunctions?
Sir means they are always in pairs, sir.
Yes, very good.
In pairs
The
and
conjunctions with pairs.
yes, sir.
They are used only in pairs.
Yes. Correlative conjunctions. Clear? But actually, here there should be one more arm. Sorry. Correlative. Okay. See, write down. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions are those conjunctions are those conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which are in the form of pair. Which are in the form of in the form of in the form of pair. Okay, in the form of pair. Pair of words. Pair of words, and they are used to link, and they are
Each other, sir.
used to link they are used to link equivalent sentences. Equivalent sentences. Equivalent sentences. Okay, I suppose all of you understood, right? See there.
Yes.
So
sir.
correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which are in the form of pair of words, and they are used to link equivalent sentences. They are used for joining equivalent sentences, and also they must be in pair of words. Remember Kundana? Are you following Kundana? Yes? Good. So now we'll see. Have you written all of you, Makla?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Naita?
Completed,
Yeah,
sir.
Yes, good. Next, one of you tell me what do you know about correlative conjunctions?
Example, sir.
They
Yes.
are used in pairs.
Pairs, sir.
Very
They
good.
are
They are
always
used in
there in the
pairs.
form of pairs.
Okay,
Sir,
good.
they are always-
Neither nor, either or.
Okay.
Or
Hmm.
Always they are used in pairs in a sentence.
Yes. Example: not only dot
but
dot dot,
also.
But also.
but also. Okay. Not only but also. Next. Okay. Either or. Either dot dot dot. Either or. Next. Neither.
No.
Neither dot dot dot. Nor. See, not only but also either or, neither nor, so that, such that, both and. Okay, there are many like that. Clear? See some
If
example.
then, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will be giving some examples. Okay, you try to guess what are the correlative conjunctions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
He was given not only a trophy.
Sir, should we write?
Yes, he was given not only a trophy,
But also.
but also
But
medal.
also
Yes.
Also,
But also.
but also
certificate.
medal.
But also certificate or medal.
But also a medal.
but also
not only
a
and but also.
Certificate.
cash prize.
Oh yeah, cash prize.
Okay, but also a cash prize.
Cash
See there, he was given not only a trophy but also a cash prize was given. So where is not only but also? Not
only and
only but also. We
also.
okay, we will be analyzing the sentence, children. Remember, where the subject, where is the verb. He is a subject, right? Yes,
Subject.
we'll keep. Remember, was given, think it is a verb. It is a verb. Clear? So subject plus verb plus not only plus
Conjunction.
a trophy object. Clear? He was given not only a trophy but also, which means here this is a conjunction, but also is a conjunction plus a cash prize. So here the cash is, okay, adjective, prize noun.
Yes.
Okay, this is the structure of a sentence of not only but also. Subject plus verb plus not only plus a trophy, that is object. Here the object is not a conjunction, this one is a conjunction. Remember, a trophy
Yes, sir.
plus, okay, but also conjunction plus adjective a cash plus prize noun. Okay, you have to remember like that. So it depends on the sentence, the structure. There is no exactly this is a structure for not only but also. But for you to frame the sentence, I have given the structure like this. Understood? Yeah. Now I'll give one more example.
Yes,
See,
sir.
once all of you listen carefully. He was given. You can make the sentences with this. He was given not only a trophy. You remove the trophy and say some other word. He was given not only a chocolate, but also
Sweet.
a book.
Sweet.
Pardon me?
Nice.
Anything. He was given not only a book, but also a pen. Okay, any one of the example you can say, children. Clear? You say one example with me. Nimira.
He was not only given a flat, but
Hmm.
also furniture.
Yes, he was given not only a flat, but also a furniture. So he was given not only scoldings, but also left and right. Rishita. Clear? Next, you say
Yes,
some.
sir.
Rishita, give an example, ma.
Sir, what's meaning of left and right?
Okay, hitting on the face. Hmm.
He
Shall I do?
was not only given a gift, but also a surprise.
Okay. He was given not only
Sir,
a
he
gift.
was not only intelligent but also funny. Very
Yes.
funny.
He was not only an intelligent boy, but also a funny
Very
boy.
fun.
Or he
Yes.
was, okay, he was not only intelligent, but also handsome, you can say. Right, one example, same like that. I will be giving one more example for you. Sorry. Okay. Yes, and also you have to read what is there in the course book. Clear? The same thing, but it is said in a different way.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. One more example. Yes. Yes. Okay. See, children. He is not only intelligent, he is not only intelligent, not only intelligent,
But also selfish.
is not only intelligent, but also handsome.